Okay, so in this lecture we're gonna design a brand that has a totally different business industry than our first brand. I chose a different business industry in purpose so that you can see that even though the businesses are not related in any way, you can still follow the same procedure on creating the brand design. So I'm gonna grab the text tool, and in the left side we're gonna write things that we already know that will be included in our brand design, and in the right side we're gonna write down things that we might include but we're not sure yet. So let's get started. I'm gonna grab the text tool. First I'm gonna start from the business industry. This brand is going to be about a fresh juice delivery company. You might already know the name of the brand you're designing, so I'm gonna name my brand. I'm trying to think about a fresh name. I'm gonna name it Freshly Squeezed. So we're going to design all the brand related items for Freshly Squeezed company. So now in the right side I'm gonna write down things that I might include in the icon of the logo. The most common one could be orange, lemon, lime, cocktail. The icon could be any glass of drink, some drops could be included as well, and so on and so forth. So the list could go on and on, but I'm gonna stop in here and choose the items for my logo icon. So these are the main things that we're gonna include on the logo of this company. The name of the company will be Freshly Squeezed. The icon will be a squeezed lime with some drop on one side or another. We'll see. So this is the final decision, and let's get into designing process. This logo contains more elements than the first one, so I'm going to design it and put the final product in here. Then I'm gonna show you step by step how I created it, and I'm gonna design it again for you, so that will be easier for students who are complete beginners to follow me along. Okay, so here is our finished logo. I've just designed it and I'm gonna show you exactly how I've designed it. So we're gonna start with the text. With the text tool you can write Freshly, and then I'm going to change its font to Berlin Sans. I'm going to make the same font for this word as well. So now I'm going to select the squeezed word, and under the drop shadow tool you can find the envelope tool. I'm gonna select it and these blue lines will appear. I'm gonna take this point right here and drag it like this, so it's gonna give it a squeezed effect to this word. You can select the text and you can give it any color from the standard color palette, but with the color eyedropper tool I'm gonna choose the same color that I used previously. Now I'm gonna start designing the lime. To draw these shapes, I'm gonna use the pen tool, which you can find it under freehand tool. So we're gonna take the pen. We're gonna make a point where we want our line to start and another one where we want it to end. And then we're just gonna drag these arrows to adjust the line to our needs. It doesn't have to be perfectly the same, because once you finish with the line you can choose the shape tool and you can adjust all the line over again. So if you cannot do it exactly the same, that's not a problem. Okay, so we're gonna modify it in the end. I'm just gonna continue and finish the object. Now while you have it selected, click on shape tool and modify it to your needs. So I'm going to copy this outline, Ctrl C, paste it, Ctrl V, and I'm gonna make it smaller. And then while I have it selected, I'm going to click on Shape tool again and adjust it again. And then I'm going to take the pen tool again and start drawing these inner objects. So with the shape tool I modified these lines a little bit, and now I'm going to zoom in the drops, and with the pen tool I'm going to follow the same procedure. Okay, so I drag the outlines right here, and now I'm going to fill them in. In this two little arrows, you can find the Smart Fill tool. So I'm going to choose the color that I'm going to fill the objects with. Now I'm just going to click on the objects. The parts of the object that has two colors or gradient color, we're gonna fill them in with Interactive Fill tool. So in this little square you can choose the color with a color eyedropper, the color of one side of the object. In the other square you can choose the color of the other part of the object. And I'm gonna use the Interactive Fill tool for the rest of the line coloring. Now with the pen tool I'm going to draw this white shape right here. I'm gonna make it white. I'm gonna put this shape to back of page. I'm gonna put this one to back of page as well. And now I'm going to select everything that has black outlines, and I'm going to click in this X box in the color palette with the right side of the mouse. So here is the logo of our brand new company, Freshly Squeezed Company. Now in the upcoming lectures, we're gonna use this logo to create a business card and other brand related items such as branded t-shirts, envelopes, leaflets, letterheads, website banners. So in a nutshell, we're gonna use this logo to create the complete brand design of this company. So follow me through the upcoming lectures because there is so much fun stuff to create.